Hi, Sarah here. I'm back finally after about 8 months with a whole video for you today. These products are from Little Rainbow Moon, so I will of course link everything below in the description box. I apologise if you can hear baby noises or children, etc., because everyone's home obviously with lockdown and things. First off, I have the watercolor inks. There's 2 sets available in her shop. So there's 3 there. That's Slate, Blue Lagoon and Shamrock. We have True Teal, Cherry Pie and Rose. And they're in like dropper style bottles, which are sealed when they get to you. Oops. And lemon zest and lavender. So you get 4 of these in each of the 2 sets that are available. Next up I have this, which is a watercolor tin for putting your watercolor paints in, the pans, the little cubes. And it has Jo's own design on there as well, and her logo. That's Jo's logo for her shop too. And I also have these, which is the first of the watercolour sets. This one is a metallic set, and as you can see, these ones are already opened up, so you can see them. And they've also, as you can see, they have a magnet underneath, so that they don't fall out of the tin, they don't rattle around, they just sit in there nicely. And this tin is gorgeous. It's been hand painted with alcohol inks, which is so cool. It's got loads of shimmer on there. Next up I have one of the creative kits. This one, I think this is a new release one, which is Calm Waters. So it's available in the shop now. And in that we get some pigment powder, which is like tiny grains. You spray water on it and it explodes with loads of colour. As it says on there, colour burst. We have some silver foil and metal leaf adhesive, 2 sticker sheets with Jo's artwork on them, and a piece of, I'm not sure what kind of, there's 3 different papers. One's a tissue, greaseproof I think, that's been inked up, and then this one as well. I'm not sure what that one is, but there'll be details on the website if you wanted to have a look and see what they all are. A little card with some of her original artwork on as well, which is beautiful. Also, these colours are the colours that are actually in the watercolour set that you can also get, and there's also some seam binding there as well that's been all distressed and coloured. Then there's a little bit about the kit, the inspiration behind it, what's actually in the kit, all written down there. And finally, if you want to, you can also get the watercolour pan or watercolour set, and it comes with a swatch card, and in here are no nails. So those are the colours. I will get them out at the end to swatch them. So for now, you can just see they come in these cute little packets. Again, they're magnetised, so it's like a little magnet on the bottom so that they don't shake around. So those are the colours in there, and you can get that as an option on top of the other part of the kit. Next up, another creative kit here, which is Botanical Moon. I'll quickly just show you what's in here. I don't want to make the video too long. So we have the inspiration behind the kit and what's in there. Again, the same as the other, a little bit of a write-up about it. In this one we have, again, some lovely painted papers to use. This is lovely. I think it's vellum with alcohol inks, I think, on that one, which is cool. There's a bit of tea bag, the sort of paper to use for some texture and interest there as well. There are some vintage diary pages. They're all lovely and yellowed and loads of interest to them. There's a tea dyed, I presume it's tea dyed, piece of doily. And then we have these lovely watercolour floral stickers. There's some numbers, but if you look, they've actually got splashes of paint on them that shimmer. I hope you can see that, otherwise I'm just doing this and there's nothing happening. I think it's picking up on the camera. So there's some beautiful numbers there, and then there's some of these lovely cards here, artwork cards here. There's 2 of each design. It's the same one as that one. Then we have a washi as well, which has got a amber kind of coloured leaf on it. If I can get the camera to pick it up. Sorry, I'm totally out of practice of filming. I do apologise for my nails as well, because I just cannot get them done at the moment because of my little tiny tot. There's not enough time to do things like that. Then finally in the creative kit, oh, I don't want to rip the sticker, but it's going to have to, I think. Yep, oh well. Are some like ephemera pieces, which are, oh, they're acetate florals. If I just hold them up like this, because I don't want the video to be too long, so I won't go through them entirely. There's loads of detail on them, they're beautiful. And that's so cool. They've got like a taped down kind of look to them, like they're in a Victorian like collector's sort of book. I don't know what you'd call it back then. But they used to tape things down and pin things down a lot, didn't they? And there's some even more in the packet there. So there's loads of those. So you can really see the kind of theme in that. It's like vintage florals. And as well with that one, I did get the watercolours, which I will open now, with a description about the colours on this paper, and then the swatch as well to do the colours on. And wow, there are the 4 colours in this one. So I think there might be some shimmeriness going on with these ones. And finally for the creative kits, I have the UK Planner Addict one. So I'll quickly go through that as well. I did get the watercolours too. So for our papers and texture pieces, we have some tissue paper that's got some lovely splashes of gold and teal on there. I'm hoping that my lighting is picking it up a little. There's some beautiful vellum, which you could actually use as a vellum cover for a TN insert. It's got such a nice pattern on it as well. It's so pretty. We also have some stickers. So there are some quote boxes. I love the colour scheme for this as well. It's so pretty. There's some hexagon stickers. I love these. I'm so glad I got some of these. I've seen these in another video. And then there's these ones which have got a little bit of gold paint. I'm not sure what paint it is. It might say in the description of the kit on those stickers there. Then we have some smaller items. I think these are like journaling cards with beautiful floral designs on them. Oh, these must have been for the big meet where the planner people get together. There's some quotes as well. And then a UK Planner Addicts. I would like to go to one of their events eventually, if I ever get around to it. I've got some gold sequins. I think I might have got an extra one accidentally. I would have thought there's just one pack, so I won't be taking them out, obviously, because they'll go everywhere. But there's gold sequins in there too. And then there is another one of those colour bursts, which is the granules that you sprinkle on and then spray with water to activate them so that the colour spreads everywhere. Sorry about the crinkling as well. So you can see, I think from the colours on there, what it's going to be like. But I will make sure I swatch everything at the end for you to see. And then I also have the watercolours, which I think I already said, but these are handmade by Jo, and she does wonderful videos to watch of her mulling. I think it's called mulling the colours, like and then pouring them into little pots. It's one of those really satisfying kind of videos to watch, and she does show little bits of each time she's making one. She'll show you how she's making it. So those are the colours from there, and I'll swatch them at the end. Okay, so as well as though I did get some stickers, which I will quickly go through. I won't talk over it, I'll just flip through them and show you what was in them. So these are like a bundle of stickers that you can get. So I have all these, so I will show them to you now. So with the stickers, you get 12 random sheets sent to you, and they're obviously discounted price because they are random from like older kits and planner sets and things. So I have all those ones, and then I also got some of the creative grab bags, so I'll just grab them next. I picked up some other washies, which I'll just hold up to the camera. So I got those as well. I love a washi. It was the this washi here, which I got in a lollipop box kit that made me have a look into Jo's products, because I loved it so much. I was like, right, I'm going to find out all about these things. And I also got these new stamps, number stamps, and also there's a logo at the bottom there. And finally, the vintage flower fairy kit. This is the last thing now. So it came with some lovely textured bronze kind of paper. This leafy one here. There's some vellum, which has got, I presume, alcohol ink again, and then splashes of colour on there, and bronze and gold. Some serviette, napkin type tissue paper. Some cute little flower fairy stickers. I think it's a book page, this. So yeah, a couple of book pages with the flower fairy pixies on there. And then some journaling type cards as well, with some foiling on there. And as well as those, came with this creative ink. And it's this, wow, it's this pink peony, I think it's peony, isn't it, not peony, peony coloured ink. And then as you can see there, you can see the mica, I think it'll be mica powder in there, so you kind of obviously need to give it a gentle swirl around. And it's really shimmery, it's beautiful. Okay, so that is everything I got from Little Rainbow Moon. I will link her shop below. It was such a good buy on all the bundle things that I got. They were so cheap, so I just got a load of them because I love her artwork, and I knew I'd missed out on so many, probably about 3 or 4 years worth of this sort of lovely artwork, so I wanted to grab a few of the older items. And then every month she releases one of these along with a creative kit. And then there are quite a few of these items that are in stock, so I of course will link below if you want to go and check out her stuff. So thanks for joining me today. If you stay tuned, I'm going to, depending on the length of this video, I will either do a second video of swatching and organising all these supplies all together, if you like that kind of video, or I might just pop it at the end of here, so you can turn it off if you don't want to stay tuned for that. So thanks again for joining me. It's my first video back, so I do apologise if it's a bit rough around the edges. I'm very out of practice, and I really hope that I will get to do some filming fairly soon and get back creating. So again, thanks for joining me. Do like and subscribe if you would like to see more from me and you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. And have a great day. Bye.